Alright guys, check this out. We got here, I think, a very special type of opportunity. This is the Reddcoin. You already know about this one. This is not the first time I'm talking about it, right? The Reddcoin RDD BTC here. This is the official social media currency exchange, right? So from a fundamental point of view, it's very promising. It's a very promising coin. I would also suggest that we actually have a pretty strong technical picture just as well, right? The technical situation is really, really fascinating, and I think it is pretty strong. I mean, you can see here, it's easy to spot this sideways movement, right? That sideways movement began around February 2018. We had the first leg up, second leg, third leg, fourth leg, right? So we already have pretty well established 4 legs. I mean, you might be asking yourself, what about that tip of the 4th leg that went completely outside of that setup, right? That seemed to be a violation of the principles. Well, you just need to keep in mind that was a daily chart, so this may actually have been an excess noise. The way to know that is to quickly switch to the monthly chart. I mean, keep in mind that same bottom key level, right? We're talking about here 6 zeros 45, right? That's the bottom key level. So if you switch to a monthly chart, basically what you do is you filter out the noise coming from the daily chart, and you can see what happened on that same move, right? That same bottom key level, 6045 right here, and from the monthly perspective, you can see it was just a spike, right? That violation we saw on the daily chart, that was just an excess noise looking like a spike here on the monthly chart, which means that the whole setup is very much valid, and that as a result means that we should expect a full upside leg back up to the upper section again, right? That's the bottom line. Now let's take it back to the daily chart again, right? Because we are in a very good spot right now. I mean, we are at the very edge of the bottom section, right, of the lower section, and price just starting to point upwards. And I think the potential, as you saw earlier, quite obviously is huge. We have our main price target, right? Our main price target, that's 5010 right here. That's a big move, potentially speaking. And we also have a secondary target, which with the price tag is 6075. So just reaching that level, we're talking about roughly 50% of potential return, and all the way to the final destination, we're talking more than 200% of potential return. So this is good stuff long term, right? This is good stuff long term. Obviously, as price, I already established a bullish position here, some holdings on the Reddcoin, still small, and my intention here is to keep increasing this position as price continues to build up that positive momentum that I'm so eager to see. So there you go, Reddcoin. We have a bullish outlook, suggesting that it's going to do much better than the Bitcoin itself. So we'll see how that goes. In the meantime, I wish you a great trading day, and we'll see you tomorrow. Bye bye.